Namaskar students and welcome. In this video, we are going to see practice set 12 of 6 Maths lesson number 4 operations on fractions. Now, when you have a multiplication sign between two fractions, then you can cancel the numbers if they are coming in any common table. So, let's see the first sum. 7 upon 5 into 1 upon 4. Now, we are going to see in all different ways whether there are any common factors, whether the numbers are coming in any common table or not. And we always cancel one numerator and one denominator. Then, that numerator and denominator can be of the same fraction or it can be from two different fractions. Both ways it is possible only when there is a multiplication sign. Always remember this, children. Now, first sum. 7 upon 5 into 1 upon 4. Now, in this sum, we will see first 7 and 5. Are they coming in any common table? No. 1 upon 4. Are they coming in common table? No. 7 and 4. See crossways also. 7 and 4. No, they also don't come in common table. 5 and 1. No, they also don't come in any common table. So we have seen straight ways, we have seen crossways. Both ways we have seen and the numbers do not come in any common table. So we are going to directly multiply them and get our answer. Numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. 7 ones are 7. 5 fours are 20. So our answer is 7 upon 20. Next one, 6 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. In this also see straight ways and see crossways. See in all four ways whether the numbers are coming in any common table or not. 6 and 7 do not come in any common table. 2 and 5 do not come in any common table. 6 and 5 do not come in any common table. 7 and 2 also do not come in any common table. So, we can directly multiply just the way we did this one. Same way. Because nothing is getting cancelled. Multiply. 6 2s are 12, 7 5s are 35. Over. Isn't it easy? Next one. 5 upon 9 into 4 upon 9. I see 9 9. But both of them are in denominator. And our rule says if you want to cancel, one should be numerator, one should be denominator. So, 5 and 9, are they coming in same table? No. 4 and 9, are they coming in same table? No. This way also 5 and 9 don't come in same table and 9 and 4 also don't come in same table. Children, are you observing? When I am seeing the numbers, I am always seeing one numerator and one denominator. I am not seeing both numerators and both denominators for cancellation because that's not allowed. That is why I did not see 9 and 9 this way, children. Now, directly multiply because they are not coming in any common table. 5 fours are 20, 9 nines are 81. So this is done. Next one. Still we are not getting any cancellation sums, children. We want such sums. Now the fourth sum. Let's see one numerator, one denominator. Straight ways, numerator, denominator. Numerator, denominator. And crossways also. In all the different ways we will see. 4 and 11 do not come in common table. 2 and 7 do not come in common table. 4 and 7, they also don't come in common table. 11 and 2 also don't come in common table. So we are going to directly multiply them in the same way and get our answer. 4 2s are 8, 11 7s are 77. Over. Very easy. Next. 1 upon 5 into 7 upon 2. 1 and 5 don't come in common table. 7 and 2 do not come in common table. 1 and 2, they also don't come in common table. 7 and 5, they also don't come in common table. So directly multiply. We will get answer. 1 into 7, 5 into 2. 1 7s are 7, 5 2s are 10. Next one. 9 and 7 don't come in common table. 7 and 8 do not come in common table. 7 and 7, yes, they come in the table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. So 7 1s are 7, 7 1s are 7. We got one cancellation after such a long time. Next, 9 and 8. Are they coming in common table? No. So this much only cancellation. Now let us get our answer. 9 into 1 because 1 is remaining there. And 1 into 8. 9 1s are 9, 1 8s are 8. Next one. 5 and 6 don't come in common table. 6 and 5 do not come in common table. 6 and 6, yes. 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. 6 1s are 6, 6 1s are 6. 5 also are getting cancelled in the same way. 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. Everything 1 1 children. Everything has become 1 1. So answer is 1. See how? 1 upon 1 into 1 upon 1. Everything multiply and divide by 1 is 1 only. Final answer. You either write 1 upon 1 or write 1. It is going to be same. Next one. 6 upon 17 into 3 upon 2. 6 and 17. Are they coming in common table? No. 3 and 2. Are they coming in common table? No. 17 and 3. No. 6 and 2. Yes. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Same cancellation I will do there. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Now I will write my answer. 3 into 3. 17 into 1. So 3 3s is 9 children and 17 into 1 is 17. Over. Wasn't it easy children? Multiplication sums are quite easy. Thank you for watching till the end.